Hi. Today I'm going to be showing you a very short video about Aidet. Aidet is a communication framework. It's designed for healthcare professionals, a tool to help them every time they communicate and they interact with their patients. Aidet is actually designed to help reduce patient anxiety while they're in the hospital. It's also designed to increase patients' compliance to the treatment, compliance to the treatment regimen, and at the same time, it helps improve clinical outcomes. Aidet is actually an acronym and which stands for A, acknowledge. You want to make sure you acknowledge your patient, you acknowledge whoever is in the room with your patient, like their family members or their friends. You want to make sure you acknowledge them. You want to give them your best smile, and when you talk to your patients, you want to make sure you give them or you make an eye-to-eye contact with your patient to build rapport to your patient and to their family as well. I stands for introduce. You want to make sure you introduce yourself, who you are. You want to make sure what's your skill, what's your role. And in this case, I'm going to be acting as a nurse. So I'm going to introduce myself as a nurse. And you want to make sure your patient knows who you are and what you're going to be doing. D stands for duration. You want to make sure you inform your patient if you're doing head-to-toe assessment. You want to make sure you tell your patients how long is it going to last, or if you're sending your patient for a test or for a procedure, or you're going to be sending a lab test for your patient. You want to make sure you tell your patients how long is he going to be expecting the results of his test, and how long the duration the test is going to take. And E stands for explain. You want to make sure you explain what are you going to be doing, whether it's a head-to-toe assessment, giving a medication to your patient. You want to explain what tests are they going to be taking, or if you're sending them to a procedure, you want to make sure they know the step-by-step process and what are they going to be expecting during the procedure or the test. And T, last but not the least, is very important. You want to make sure you thank your patient for letting you take good care of them and for letting you do your patient care. So your patient will have the best patient care experience while they're in the hospital before they get home and be discharged. So this is how you quickly do it when you do and see your patients in their room. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Mr. Martinez. How you doing?
I'm well, thanks.
Okay, and my name is Ed, and I'm gonna be your nurse for this evening. Okay.
Okay.
Today I'm gonna be doing head-to-toe assessment with you. So it's gonna involve, like, I'm gonna be touching some parts of your body, and at the same time I'm gonna be listening to your lung sounds, your bowel sounds, your heart sounds. I'm gonna probably be moving your arms, testing your strength, and have you stand up or have you sit down. Is that gonna be okay?
That's fine.
This is not gonna take long. It's probably only gonna take like 20 to 30 minutes. I just wanna make sure I get everything. And so when I talk to your doctor, I wanna make sure I share to him the correct assessment that I'm gonna be getting.
Okay.
I'm gonna also be checking your vitals and everything in between. Is that gonna be okay?
Sure.
All right. So after you do all of those, and then you wanna make sure before you leave your patient's room, you wanna make sure you thank them. All right, that's it. Thank you, Mr. Martinez, for letting me help you today.
You're welcome.
I hope you have a good stay here in the hospital. And if you need anything, here's your call out button. And you want to make sure you press them so I know if you need something, okay?
Okay.
And don't worry, every now and then I'm going to be checking on you to make sure you get what you need and you're attended to whenever you need anything.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, and you have a good day.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.